This is our smoke detection in school toilet. We have made smoke detection in school toilet because in nowadays people are addicted to take smoke, and the students also. If any students take smoke in toilet, then the smoke will go higher. Then the smoke will go higher, and if the smoke touches this smoke sensor, then the buzzer will buzz, and then the LED light will glow. We have made two. We have used two LED lights for the distinction of boys and girls. Green for the girls and red for the boys.
Okay, so is this a working model?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This is our smoke sensor and
It detecting the smoke.
Now it's getting complicated. First, we need to introduce theoretically